Hi, this is Neil, China Sourcing Academy. We're at the Global Sources Trade Show, October edition, and with Emily, and this is Sim2 Technology, and guess what? They make drones. Hi Emily, you've got a drone behind you here. This is a six-copter.
Yes,
six-copter drone. So how long, how far can this go? How many kilometer?
1 to 2.
1 to 2 kilometer?
Yeah.
Ah, okay. And so how many minutes normal?
30 minutes.
30 minutes, okay. So you're 1 to 2 kilometers, 30 minutes. And what about the tolerance for the wind?
Tolerate 6.
6. Okay, so it's talking about level 6. This is a common answer among a lot of the vendors at the trade show now. So level 6. Talking about level 6. So level 6 is pretty good.
Yeah.
Yes. So how long to charge up the drone? How many hours?
Maybe 5 hours.
5 hours. And then you get 30 minutes.
Yes.
30 minutes.
Yeah.
And the weight?
Weight, the most is tolerate 3 kilograms.
This is the big one's 3 kilograms.
Yeah.
But what about, have you got a smaller one that you're trying to sell? Like this is the show drone.
Show drone.
But
yes.
which one is your big volume drone, your main one? This one here. Can we have a look at this? Ah, this one here, right? Is this it? This is your popular one.
Yes, most popular one.
So are you selling this under OEM or under your brand?
Our brand.
Your brand. Ah, okay. So if I were to buy this and export it to Australia, what is the minimum order quantity? MOQ.
MOQ is 300.
300. 300.
Yes.
And how much do I pay? US dollar.
US dollar also 300.
300 US dollar.
Yes.
Oh, that's very interesting. Much cheaper than the 1,000 US dollar drone we saw around the corner. So,
okay, yes.
so this, okay, all right. So we've got 300 US dollar drone here, and it looks quite. I see that carbon fiber technology.
Well,
carbon graphite.
You are quite professional.
No, it just looks like my tennis racket. So I don't know much about this, but okay. So you got 300 US dollar, 1 kilometer or 2 kilometer. How far away? The range.
The range 1
kilometer.
Yeah.
And how many minutes?
30 minutes.
30 minutes.
Yes.
Okay, 1 kilometer, 30 minutes.
Yes.
And wind tolerance, level 6.
5.
5. Ah, okay. So we've got someone. This is great. This is buyers. You need to pay attention to this, and if they can answer your questions immediately, it means the vendor is a good one. All right, and it's something. These are signals that you can look for when you're at the trade show to pick out the good vendors from the weak vendors. And so we've got this beautiful drone here, 300 US dollars, 1 kilometer range.
Yes.
How many minutes? 30 minutes. This is O'Connor for China Sourcing Academy with Tony. Yes. Catch you in the next session, and good luck with your sales, Tony.
Okay.
All right. O'Connor with Tony again, and we just looked at the Dragonfly drone, but I want to have a look at another drone that they have here, and that is the very heavy CrossFire drone.
CrossFire, yeah.
Yeah, very interesting. And what's special about this, Tony, is it's used for what?
Used for racing.
Used for racing.
Yes.
That's amazing. So you mean indoor racing?
Outdoor racing.
Outdoor racing.
And you can use the glasses to see.
Ah.
To control.
Oh, you use Google Glass type thing.
Yeah, glasses.
Wow, amazing.
You can see what the drone see.
Oh wow, even better.
Yes.
Wow, that's amazing. And this is it over here, is it? So, is this your racing one, is it?
Yes, the camera is here.
Let's have a look.
Yeah.
Oh, so you got a camera on the front, and just used for racing. Can I pick this up?
Yeah, okay.
Pick it up, use the carbon, I hang on to the carbon.
Yeah,
all right,
carbon.
So here's our CrossFire, all right? And it's a little one, but used for racing. You've got a camera at the front, so you, the operator, you can actually have it vision on your glasses.
Yes.
Is that right? Okay, so you're selling these as your brand product,
Yes.
Okay.
Our brand.
and so as a buyer, do I come and look to sell this in other country, right? So do I buy this as an MOQ?
Yes, also MLQ.
How much? How many?
300.
300.
300 cents.
And how much per unit? US
the
dollar.
price is $120.
Wow, 120 US dollar.
Yeah.
Oh, much cheaper. So it's really focused on racing. It's not about professional camera work, but just okay, the racing. Yeah,
Yes.
Tony, we get that. So in terms of that racing drone, how long would this last for? How many minutes?
15 minutes.
15 minutes.
15 minutes.
Wow, not very long. But then a race is very fast, right?
Yes, very fast.
So do they have many drone races around the world? It's getting more popular, is it?
I think in foreign countries there are many. China is just starting.
Okay, so 30 minutes. No, 15 minutes.
15 minutes.
15 minutes. Okay, what's the distance from the operator? 1 kilometer?
Distance, we haven't calculated.
Not sure.
Yeah, not sure. Yeah.
But generally, Tony, with these drones, if a drone is nearly going to run out of battery, do they all automatically come back to the operator? Or it depends on the programming?
This one don't have that function.
Don't have that function?
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right. Well, there you have it. There's our little racing drone. And this is O'Connor with Tony at the Global Sources Expo, October edition. Catch you in the next booth. Bye for now.
Bye-bye.